Sprinting to the future of law. Who am I, human or machine? Synchronizing with cyborgs. Part 3. Who would be interested in it? In the previous part of this issue, we talked about what is happening in India about cyborg. Now, let's look at what are different applications of cyborg in various industries. Let's first look at healthcare sector. Cyborg technology enables the creation of artificial organs such as kidney, lungs, cochlea, and even heart. It also offers enhancements through bionic implant for vision, hearing, orthopedic, and cardiac function. Thus, it fulfills the missing abilities of incapacitated patients. Cyber technology can also offer greater resistance to certain type of diseases and infections. Exoskeleton and artificial tissues can increase mobility and quality of life for aged people. On healthcare services side, cyborg technology can increase capability and stamina of healthcare workers, who often operate in physically and mentally stressful environment for long hours, especially in situations like large-scale emergency related to natural disasters. In defense sector, cyber technology can enhance lives of wounded veterans. It can also augment ability of human soldiers. Cyborg warriors can operate more efficiently, effectively than human soldiers in certain specialized missions. When implanted with communication capability, individual cyborg can directly receive and quickly act on military command that is individualized for each soldier. In sports and athletics, cyber technology enables disabled athletes to compete in sports, so they can also feel the excitement of competition and joy of winning. It also enables injured athletes to recover fast. This can be a huge boon for professional sports. In agriculture sector, cyber technology implanted into insects and animals can help monitor plant health and microclimatic conditions. They can also increase pollination and crop yield. It also enables us to do organic farming by reducing our dependence on toxic herbicide and pesticides by physically picking weed and harmful insects. In the space sector, cyber technology can provide capabilities to survive in adverse and hazardous environment of outer space. They can also enable successful habitation of life on other planets. In the manufacturing sector, cyborg technology can enhance skill and efficiency of human labor. They can also increase shop floor control and reduce accidents. So cyborgs are much more than how they are portrayed in Hollywood movies. They are more likely to enhance our lives than cause harm. In the next part of this issue, we are going to look into various legal, tax, regulatory, and intellectual property issues.